what awaits us. Okay, Fenton, let's go. Oh no, we're sinking into the ground.
No, look, I wasn't gonna talk. I wanted to let this finish. But the way she was just nonchalant about sinking into the ground, I couldn't let that slide. How's she gonna be like, oh no, we're sinking in the ground, and then she's checking out her dress? Like, come on. Come on, she's checking out her dress while saying, oh no. Like, no, I can't let that slide. Game, do better. I take it that I'll die if I touch that, so I'm not gonna touch that. Maybe I won't. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay, so okay, so touching that takes out my torch, but doing this brings it back. Okay, nice demonstration, Lord. Aye, Fenton, it's all up to you. Never mind, it's all up to us. Never mind, it's all up to me. Okay, but the art style of this is beautiful. We have a like a couch we can sleep on, you know. Oh my, is that an octopus or a squid? It's an octopus. Oh my god, my goodness. Can I just make him? Oh my god, wow, the amount of extra effort they are doing. This absolute game, I can't believe it. Okay, how do I get Fenton to go down there? This game, absolute cheesing. I can't believe it made me have to do all that. No, I'm pissed. Why would this game, all that, that felt so extra. That felt so extra. Like, why do I have to? It's like, show you're working on answers. Teachers, when they say you have to show you're working, I know the answer is right, but how did you get there? Why would you do that to me, game? Let's see what's this side. Ah, I see. I see indeed. I see that I can press this and I can jump and I can drain for some weird reason, and I'll drain again for another weird reason, and I'll do this, and I'll do this again, and I'll do it okay. Oh, I can do it again. Can I do it another time? No, I think that's it. And then I'll press this, and then I'll jump higher than ever before, and then without any flashlight I'll keep going and press this button and activate this thing, and then this thing keeps going, and then damn it, I want the light source. Okay, no need, keep going. Oh, right here. Then Fenton, your turn. You jump right up there, and then you wait for me to reactivate this for you. Let's go. Okay. Interesting. Very interesting. Okay, I'll activate that once more. So Fenton can jump. I didn't get a head start. Oh my god. So, we switch to Fenton. And we wait. Wait. And that's how we do it. And then we get our key. Ba 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 ba. Look. Oh, I'm loving this. I'm loving this look in detail. She carries the key like a blade. A key blade. A key blade. You know who else carries a key like a blade? Oh my god, I'm gonna stop right there before I make regular jokes. Troubled water. How does water get troubled? Yeah, I'm not gonna touch that. I'm not gonna touch that. In fact, yeah, because I was not gonna touch that. Now I know why water gets troubled. And are there spiders? Wait, you can't leave your zone, can you? Whoa, 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 whoa. I would like to apologize. It can kind of leave its zone. Quick and patient, quick and patient. We can do this. Yeah. Uh-huh. Okay. Ooh. This is something. Yeah, and we did it. Congrats to us. Yay. Oh. 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 Hey, Fenton. Oh. Whoa! That went from O to OS. And I'm locked in here with you? Nah, you're locked in here with me. Oh, there he is. Oh my. Oh, I can look at this. How big is that a cat? Is that a cat smoking as a painting? You know what? I think we've looked at enough. Alright, and then what? And you know what? I don't even need to do that. He's already reached his goal. Don't worry, Fenton. I'll be here to support you. Oh, bless you. You've been sneezing a lot. You got that corona? I mean, we can talk about it. I won't look at you differently. We can talk about this, buddy. We can talk about it. Don't worry, Fenton. Your bus is arriving. It's just 1 hour late. You know, traffic, stuff like that. But you'll be fine. Oh, Fenton, your bus arrived. Oh, I have to be able to look at this. Peculiar taste, if I do say so myself. Catch. I got it. Speed run. Speed run. I wasn't expecting this. I very much. Oh, cutscene. Yeah, this... Whoa. If this wasn't a puzzle game, I'm telling you, this would have been an amazing boss battle. Okay. Fenton. And that's my fault for not making you jump in time. Whoa. Okay. So I have to take a breath. Okay, Fenton can now move. Man, these puzzles are cool. Okay, then I come back this way. Actually, Fenton can't move yet. Not just yet. But maybe if I press this. No. No. It has to be something else. This one. Whoa. Are we gonna kill it? Oh my god, I can actually move through without dying. That face absolutely said, I am done. No, we have every right to dislike Thomas for this. And we can pass there. No, that was the face of a person who said, I am done with the amount of stuff I have gone through. Thomas. Absolutely, Thomas. You're doing the most. No, that face. That's, oh my god. When I tell you guys, I've been making that face this entire video. And now she's making it. Alright, buddy. Ready? Oh, damn. Interesting. Okay. I won't be able to make that, but I will be able to make this. And then this, and this. Then we wait for a very long time. Oh, that would have been bad. Okay. We jump on top of that. And the next one. What does this do? Okay. My turn. This game wants me to do everything all at once. I'll do it. I'll do it. I'll play. I'll play. You want me to play your game? I'll play. You want me to do everything all at once? I'll do it. That's what you want, right? Okay. Okay. Okay, I did it. I did it, right? Ooh. That was so extra. That was so extra of you. You know that, right, game? And now I have to just find my way, my path in to finish this one last stupid thing. This is so extra. I beat your boss, Thomas. Whoa.
The octopus has dropped the key. I'm going to get it back.
I knew it was an octopus.
I did it. The passage just open. Let's go, Fenton.
I really just love how Fenton is.
God for that one, Fenton.
Gravity is just different.
Much about Thomas.
Gravity is just different for our boy Fenton. Speedrun! And the next room is Cubelins. Well, hey, one word per video. One word per video. We beat the boiler room. We beat whatever, the garden, the boiler room. Cublin's next video. I can finally, I can, this level, this game, the boiler room was so extra. It was just so extra. Like, it was just so extra. Even my character was sick of it. Oh.